where I am on first page of Google. I will also show you how keyword is very vital and how you can get better keywords for you to be ranked fully on any search engine. Writing a better keywords with a good contents matters a lot. Okay, so let's assume let me assume you have or we have a hairdressing business in our place. So, and all our customers always come nearby or they're locals. So how do you rank your local competitors? So there are better ways you can do that. Remember, this training also will also help you to or show you how to work on Google for Business as well, so that when people search you on map, they see you, you will appear there. Okay, let's have a look on this. Okay, let me show you. You may not know, but this is one of the ways you can easily get a very good keyword you will use for your website. Let's assume here hairdressing. Look at here. Let's see here. You can see here I was trying to put hairdress and it's showing me Aberdeen hairdresses Aberdeen student discount. Okay, you could see here hairdressers Edinburgh. So that shows and tells you that so many people are searching this. Okay, this is one of the tricks. People are searching for this. Okay, and when you go down here as well, you will see it here. You see, best see searching selected hairdressers Aberdeen. See, best hairdressers Aberdeen, cheap hairdressers Aberdeen. So these are also very good keywords for hairdressing in Aberdeen or Glasgow or anywhere. So this is Google Map for Business, okay, which I will show you so that you will also appear here when you activate yours. It is free of charge. Okay, so this is one of the ways you can get keywords. But as we proceed, as we start our training proper, we show you how to analyze the keywords. Okay, so here remember that your pages need to be indexed before your pages will be discovered, or before someone will discover you from searching website. If your pages are not indexed by Google, nobody will see you. And what am I saying? You got to create pages so that Google will index it and people can find you online. It's simple as ABCD. Like as I've told you, if you don't know it, you don't know it. But once you try to get the ideology behind it, it is simple. WordPress, they have made things easier for us, or any other platform. I will see you soon when you enroll. Thank you.